Hey guys, and welcome to my first ever video of this channel. I hope that you're all doing fan-freaking-tastic, and let's get to it. So I will show you step by step how to create a fully customizable circle menu for your Shopify store. So to get started, you simply just want to log into your Shopify admin. From here, just go to Online Store, click on the theme that you're currently working on, the three dots right next to Edit Theme, and click on Edit Code. Now take the time to go down to this description and you should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy the entire thing. Okay, so once you copy the entire thing and this thing loads up, what you want to do is go to the sections tab here on the left side. Make sure that it is selected like so and click on create new file at the top. So basically just create a new file within the sections tab. Now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it circle menu. Just make sure that to end the name with .liquid, just like all the other files in the same category. And simply just hit enter. Next up, it's very simple. You just want to paste in the code that you will find in the description and click on save from the top right corner. And we are pretty much done when it comes to the code stuff. So what you want to do now is just go back to your Shopify admin and click on edit theme. Just make sure you edit the same theme that we added the code in, otherwise you won't really find it unless you repeat the same steps. So what you want to do now is basically just add the section. So we've just created the section, now we just want to add it to our page. So I'm just going to hide the announcement bar and the header, and I'm just going to add it to the header section. Now you can add it to the template if you want to, but I'm just going to add it here. So I'm just going to click on add section. And now you should be able to find circle menu. So simply click on that. And now I'm just going to explain pretty much everything that you can do with this menu. So first and foremost, you have the actual items, which are the circles, and you can move them around. So if you want the first one to be bracelets to the left, you can just move it up here. So this is the first thing that you can do, which is move them around. Secondly, you can add more circular items by clicking on add circle item. You're just going to add a fifth one, and you can even add more if you want to, or you can just delete them like so. So delete or add as many as you like. There is a limit to it, however, so just keep that in mind. Next up, if you click on any of them, you're going to have the option to add an image to it. So I'm just going to use this one as an example, just to show you how it's going to look like. You also have the option to change what actually the label says. So this says ring, but we can make it say test if you want to. And lastly, which is the most important part here, it's the link. So it's going to link to a specific page. Let's just say contact page. If you want to, you can make it be linked to a specific collection, to a specific product, to an external link if you want to even. That's completely up to you. So very simply, you just want to repeat the process for the rest of them. Add an image here, change the label, and add the link. Now you have also more customization options when it comes to the looks of it. If you click on the circle menu itself, you have the ability to fully delete the heading if you don't want it, or you can just go in and add text, just replace the text for the heading. You can even change the text color in here. Also the background color, if you want to change it, you can just do it from there. The item label color is basically the text of the items. And also you have the circle size. So if you want the circles to be smaller, you can just tone it down a little bit in here and you can see that they become smaller. Also the border around the circles, you can make it thicker or less thick and change the color of that as well. And lastly, here you have some padding options. I like to keep it at 15 personally, but you can just play around with that as you like. And I'm just personally going to remove the text as well and click on save, and let's just see it in the live preview. So this is basically how it's going to look like with the live preview, and you can even see that it does have a hover effect over it. If I click on this one, because I linked it to the contact page, it's just going to take me here. If you've linked it to a collection, it's going to take them there, as you already have guessed. So this is pretty much it for this video. If you found this video to be useful and helpful, be sure to support me down below. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.